Mixed-Induced Corrosion, or MIC, is a sewage-related concrete corrosion and degradation process. MIC shortens the life
Charlie.
expectancy of critical infrastructure, causing high maintenance costs for governments and utility owners around the world. Hydrogen sulfide forms in slow-moving sewage, and especially at more turbulent locations, is released into the airspace within the concrete structures.
Charlie. Sagot.
Thiobacillus
Charlie.
bacteria ingest the hydrogen
Charlie.
sulfide
Sagot.
and metabolize it,
Charlie.
creating concentrated sulfuric acid.
Charlie.
The sulfuric acid is then
Ayaw
excreted
sumagot,
through the cell wall and corrodes
No.
the concrete.
Malamig sa labas, so
The acid attack also
Charlie
produces
staying
sulfates,
inside.
which diffuse into the concrete
Kasi it's
and
windy
react expansively,
outside.
causing further degradation.
Charlie.
Zypex Biosan C500 is a concrete admixture that combines two protective strategies into one.